Who can stand before him? Hallelujah. Poverty cannot stand. Sickness cannot stand. Sickness cannot stand. Give a shout. Hey. 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 Who can stand before you? Say. Who can stand before you? You reign forevermore. Lord, your great God. Who can stand before you, Lord? Who can stand before you? You reign forevermore. Lord, your great God. 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 Can you sing? Can you sing? Great God. I want you to chant it. Great God. Who can stand before you? Who can stand before you? You reign forevermore. Hey, Lord, your great God. Who can stand before you? Who can stand before you? You reign forevermore. God, Lord, your great God. Who can stand before you? Who can stand before you? You reign forevermore. God, Lord, your great God. Who can stand before you? Woman wants to know, I sit down, I'm in my world. I sit down, I'm in my world. I'm in the pro. Here I do, I'm in your way. Mama, time for your near, what bad. Woman wants to know, I sit down, I'm in the pro. Here
de be tu free utire so ana no pay ye de ba be she onkran is there anything koso wadwene ne wakomam ye bewu ye be hye ye be sa abusua wotire nwi ba kompo wotire nwi ba kompo eno na mede ma wo wotire nwi ba kompo enya de a ebe free wotire nwi so wotire nwi ba kom na chese owuo emma awurade beje yen Psalm 91 ono na ogye ye free yade a ehu yade seye ogye yen wotire nwi anopai de me wo ma wo na me de show nkura say wotire nwi ba ko wo baba ko wo nana ba ko wo soa ba ko wo bre wa ba ko wo yire ba ko obi biara wotemene na anopai awurade wo ye kese sitina no de ye fabu bia awurade koso toa so ye kese I want you manity na me read it through the Exodus the book. Read it na me dia to na kasa read it. As I was listening audibly. So to bring your Bible no read it audibly. What to when so can come. In such challenging time, abra eniema mu aye huhu aye dendende no. Enye ye ne nkrofo a ebi asi e wayan ye penso. We are the children of God. Called by your name. Etiana pay my paraphrasing. Yana nam chira krunkru no kakra. You are the great God. You are the mighty God. You are the glorious.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Your wisdom.
Winyansani winimudia. It is unsearchable. Just lift your voice and tell the Lord you are great God. You are mighty, you are glorious. You are indescribable. You are uncomparable, God. Your wisdom is unsearchable. Oh, lift your voice and bless the Lord. Erade we yakase sitting on the ye fabu bia erade koso to aso yakase I want you manity na me read it through the Exodus the book. Read it na me dia to na kasa read it. As I was listening audibly. So to bring your Bible no read it audibly. What to when so can come. In such challenge. Say no krese erade eyemawo na say no krese erade yemame ana ase no krese erade yema wabushia ase no krese erade ye oma oman Ghana ase ye enidie ewo tontra etwedom tontra ede oman eni daniye eba. This morning, what kind of vessel do you see yourself? Do you see yourself as a vessel that God can use to change generation and to transform lives? Can you be one of those people? Ebia wa hyasian and shedanye nanso so we na ebetumi abaye kokru. There is a possibility wa hyasian ebetumi abase enye nanso so na wiye ye ne beba abaye kokru. Ena no pay ya me no wahia e wa afidie yi so Adom 106.3 and on the Facebook Adom 106.3 and the YouTube Adom 106.3 and also Benjamin Ewo YOA Adom Ahengua no enim. Bishop Yaw Owusu-Ansah arope mamene umyere yan trontom erade meet kakra mu erade de ahyen adwuada eyemon we mame but I say Jennifer what's that bata oh yeah mame I'll bring you now. Ansana mi be sikwa so me before I wash down ansana mi be dware na madam for papa panyine be kroma obi enem no nana amachi dede oya jom today I am a very good friend na or send me message or send message I try to spend time say me hwe message no me tie message no awie ya ansakura na me dware na me tie message no na me send a response me dance because I a very rich video be obi aye na ono so edeba me na ye na me try message me dance pa very profound. Me we ye me fa me phone no asa atwe se minim se wo de obepe sa message enti na me send the braille that I'm much today. Good morning. What to say dear nana? You will send messages to people, they don't get time to read it. And then what does say? But I try to read it before I thank. Maybe I'm sending message. You don't take serious steps towards those messages. I have familiarity. Oh, yeah, I have familiar. So, oh, there be our Sunday Bremente. Mamma said, maybe I don't pay with you with familiarity mindset. Sorry, there, my child. So, you may be a child. You become too familiar. Oh, so for Ansah. What bed you obey me? I worship in Yame. What bed you obey? You say. Don't be familiar to the presence of the Lord. Yamiama the papa chie. Ubi one now they was sit down on us on tuntumo mano. Lockdown we a dear na wushia free mo. Easter a dear was shia a free mo. Nigeria say Easter multimedia yanya brepa ma Easter to be honest with you. A lot of people are trying. I can't one more addition say, oh, Easter and Nanki has a lockdown or yentimi nyemu atenke to say, and a lot of them. Are you one of those? I don't be. I wanna. I try to say Jennifer Yana. Okay. Good morning. God bless everybody. Our Facebook, share with your friend and your enemy as we study together on this platform at Adom 106.3. Ahengua name with you. Radi yama wodia betwe biewa no omaya wasukura and then give him the praise and give him the glory and give him the honor. some more America no enya de amon fa no ahoguru mu ebre te say mo minim se senia yarea abawiase re etete mo America so much but I don't pay 7 million yetiase dia e me dodo ayetiase di ma yentumi mfa na asie manya metiase for say we ye mayen emre nyina setena nyina brabo nyina no awrade be nya de ametumi aka kire wo awrade say yes what do you mean hamo da biarada enra na ye resurrection Sunday a lot of messages now on Sakai nyamesem bebre na bae. Okay. Ooh, yeah, mama. Good, Jennifer. I feel me. God bless you. Ooh, yeah, wa pay mu ka se urade maso mintimi nyai wo som seme som wo di wachi anante wo pe ene we urade wa sem so no mintimi nyai de biara da urade masom wo ena mame ma kwan na me no enye na say Easter idea be pa na wo wasua. What have you learned out from this Easter holidays and what tie nyamesem through this medium idea be pa pote na wo wasua edie na wasua no Easter yimo adesua do say na wasua and then me pese me kasa egu enti Easter festivity no ya kenya mesem ya quote scriptures edie emudie pa pote na wo faaye emudie na wa utimi so wo de aka wo Kristo som abrabɔ ho emudie hina na wo wafa eno na me bi saw ena no pay I mean can we say enfama what is happening to them making can we say edi amaona yede atoa yen adesua eso Petro nguma edikan etia eyemie no me kan se de na wasua na fe no obi se edi kura na awotwe wakan sem bebro na de kura na mu de he na me faaye se went to be amfa beden etinya bo was na ye ena wo bodin efremo every say Kristo nso ehunu amane ma mujamo enhweso se muni Kristo no anamon echi ye ena wo bodin e de fremo every say Kristo nso ehunu amane ma mujamo enhweso se muni ono anamon echi ono na wanye bone na nso so wenhunu na da nso so ewo nenum ono wanye bone ena nso so wenhunu na da nso so ewo Kristo no nenum ono na wo yaw no nso wanya obi ono na yedi na tem nso eni obi atem wohuna amane nso so wenhunu obi biara na imom ordina sem shade obu atentene ne no ensa hwensem fuaya makenkan Petro nguma edikan etia eye mienu ne chichemu aye aduonu baako na ye na wo bodin efremu evrize Kristo nsusu hunu amane maamo en wo se jamo hweso se munni ono nadamon echi se manke bibia akura na we amakan the entire Yesu Kristo frame no mienu enra thousands of people gave themselves their lives to Christ Jesus wabra na me wa haye communion service me for many a lot of you you've been giving your life, rededicating your life. Was in a way suntina wo body frame on just say unya bre now can kind free into chemuba kuno mus wo beka niema bebre. 1 Peter chapter 2. No was in a way no body frame if we say Christo nsusu hunu amane. Emamo eti de Yesu ehunu ye bia no oye said ye beya me akaya na o semitua no mia nenka da hono mu a etweme enem guasie emma de o se ye brome eno me kan ha se so be ka tem se coronavirus de eni aduro asabera okay eniem bi hono mu a Yesu Kristo yo ye na ye nyina ne ya wo yen ba oye no ma ne be yen senda ho ye twa na chiri ma ye twa na chimpre oye we nyina said ye be ya me ye Owusu-Ansah ya die bia e wo mi ne padue mu no betimi anya ogye afri ayarwa emo na ye na wo body from eti enene bisa ho se edie be mu kura na wo body de frɛ me ye Owusu-Ansah na ye mu wo body frɛ mo every say Kristo no ekunu amane ema mu gya mo nhwɛso se mo nso muni nanamo achi ede nhwɛso na Yesu gyae ebia wo bisa ho yesi egya nhwɛso be na Kristo Yesu egyae. Verse 22. Wanuna wanya bone nanso so when hunu na dance so e wonanum. Verse 23. Onuna wo ye no. When was the last time wa ukunu ye wo? When was the last time wa oba ye wo? When was the last time wa wo maame e ka kire wo se de wo ye eye moasem. Umami anu si yana dia na okaye was it Kristo no a yen ya ginedi no ya ya no ye di natam nanso so was wo ye ya no nanso so no de wanye wo bibi when he was insulted he did not insult anybody and I mean no ye Kristo sumin with the matemwa me do be papa we ye yamia me ye be papa we can for chiremia me so me can for the bia chira papa eno na me Kristo som atofom we say we ja yen hweso say yen so yen ni nanamo achi ba bia me kan ye no say mo we ja yen hweso say yen ni nanamo achi. What is Yesu ayakada? What is Yesu ayakada? What is a bride in sa senu so and crofo brono no okay say radin tuamoka why ye yano Nezus was ojami no mienu enhweso se yen so yen di Kristo no aka say di osofo na mo achi send me sofo anu ya no de men so mano be ya send me man panyin ye de men so me yese send me busu ya panyin da bi o if there is anybody anya me bishop anya me archbishop anya me kunu and anya me yire woja mon hweso se mon so munni ono so nada mo achi ono no waya no papa nanso so wa anya obibi wohuna mane nanso so wenhunehuna wohuna mane ya ne niema ma wo fa amane hunum nanso wenhunehuna obia eto brebe na wo kasa kurodua yi mu a ehunehuna kasa wotimi kasa chenchem ehunehuna ni party se wiase awoda ho boye Kristo no a ya genedi no Kristo no a kroma ubisa obia etese o nyame adom ubisa obia politicians so ahemfo ahimao abosonsofo nyame adom obia ni wa waka bronsam adom da obia nka bi da Wo biara Ghana how be say I don't know mo kase kwaku firi Adom ana nyanta ana brekune ana nanabo wo biara ka nyame Adom na sa wo wura no a wo kase wo gya wa Adom no wo se wo ye ya no wo di na tam se ye kase ye ya wo bi pa hwede ye Kristo ye Kristo ye ne niema eya yakayaka de bro no pa ne ho. They stripped him naked. O say radio ya wanya ne microphone wanya nti woni nso ni pa bia woni nso di pa wetimi kasa chenchom te se de ase wiase nyina wonko ana wonim nyansa che wo bia and me crowd ka be kasa nkanya me ya se obi be kasa ne 5 minutes obe kasa bia na eye insult be dimpanyifo atem no odi atem hwe lockdown ya bai wotimi se abrantie suko no mabi wo betimi akasa no twampoa no asan record no dia ba Facebook ana wo dia ko WhatsApp no dia ko Instagram na so be kono no wasi kwasi ada sorry dem lockdown ya sorry ye nyina wo ka ho pefe komini ye di we di bi da na so ye ne hwe dinatem hwe kane hwe ono na wo yo no we dinatem sani etwi no kan ha no me wo ya no mempe ono ne ye dinatem na so weni obi biara bi ono na ohunu amane na nso wenhunahuna nipa na emum odina sem hye di obu atentrene no nsa eti se me usisi me a obi ye madi bi na oya na mayedi na mkeze we de winem me de masem hye di obu atentrene no me de ahye ne nsa o de opa achi tibi na ko we do fuel station am to fuel and our branch say daddy hweso dem say me hweso paso ye be ma bu me neko sisi me neko but me nsema hye di obu atentrene no ne nsa wo de me de me niema enam habo a wia bi wo de so ye post ni wugina me a jibisika wo de so wo to asase wo pa ton ma me ne ton ma nipa du o see media me de mensem nyina hye de obu atentene nensa media hye nensa wana aye wa so wo ye de bi wana di watamu a wa ye wa dwiri say after Easter make biatre no ma ono na ye no sofo ano ya ono ye di na tem sofo ano ya nenso ono de oni obi atempi. How many times and yesin kunya when we yire when ukunu when woma are in the presence of people what demonstrate say when in so yire when in so ukunu when in so sofo asori awo mu ye dimasema yesin kunya na posifu abem na tezanya ofarimpo nyamesom onu na ye no onu na ye di na tem ono na adano yokwa asemi azoku wudi maame no mienu Easter ede no wafa Easter ede no wasua Easter se mensia bibi kura haidie mafa na mede dwendwene oye ya no wudi na tem wasese no kwasia wo head up a body bikikegu no so but he did not respond to the critics of people. And pay because or your cromfo because we dramamoni because and you be a kai piano what draw to na what head that pa that kadia gumu me try my lockdown etwem me try my saya de free ho na free ho pa kwem ho mbatmenka ho mbat sana wakeka ono na ye ono wanye obi woni di na tem wani obi atempi ono na ye na yaka de nenso so. This is a message, this is a word and okofie bebre mu ayaka ebufu and tokwa the time so great is above all bibisa o say na watwe de na wasua asema bibisa wa no Easter di nyina no ya kansem bebre de na wa nkasa wafa de na wasua. Hallelujah. But as I say, what Facebook, I'm in a awesome. And Kawusman, no one share my winner, no one share my catch us. What team and I won't share my will be.
Great God. Great God.
I pray me the same way at to Honumwa, the 7 year yagina. And check your pons of where Jewaha sounds so and also for bars of my men's so. Mammy Joaha. Ebia na wo pese ebia wo boa wo bi wo pese wo ye moama wo bia me wie dwubedie ya and no be from Holland, Amsterdam to be precise. My co-preacher on sorry dem na ose papa sofo de metumi aya aboa pa ne se me grofo no ma ebia nsuo such a thing na me mfa mejaw na distribute aya adwuma kase o aya adwuma kase because ebe ye kura me de be kwa akome ma wonom. And so and on what the abijame. But I am a fed the way of frame or say my order do do a saying this will be here be a bakua nankawamani be and I'm say hey contract kasiya pa minizu otieme. And but you see the heart no kuram power de yeno I am a fed heart no de yeno ain't a bread to say mono a dear heart how helpful send a wisi boa. So na we sit na one Sunday ebi no matumi anya support kakra. And then me say me wie pe be frɛ me na wa ma omo de aba. He kura na me de kugu. Just I say what truck me na say me ye na eti so open suo bi. We open suo bi. Na just say wa ba jibi. Eti wo Jesus so ya be bo modern list because sense obi na de ni sika I will give accounts. Me ade bia no so bi de e de odu musika boa ya me wi anama say bua contact kire nipa no e bua contact kire nipa 0509 15 10 na what friend number 0509 15 10 also was support to be my anuanum bia you can do that. And I know I can be kakra. Easter idea no was dear no wafa. The shia dear bebre or Hantina yam for bebre and come. Idea that was Easter idea no was there was Shian and I watching King Kansam Casachre. Communio Kramubu and now no one and Roby. Our ICGC sorry na on the Yerenema. No say Yenny I and several who communio da. But who ye know a to much video no send the man. So beautiful. Oh yeah, Bema, you are the priest of your family. You would not hear software. I know be catcher from Kubazanti. It locked there, but called the Benam say, now so son and I do Akase, Obama Tria Yang, Bosume and sense you. One day. Now light is also Wababuamo. Now Casa Wakazu Obama is your cabo Sumi and San Ubayanas are free. And to me one can't say Bosumi and so as long as I what tria Bosumi and Zakadi. Now with them one Casa. We don't pursue them one. South as you know, so you can be a part of this supporting week, a supporting month, and you can support somebody. At the end was here, so for Jewaha, so for Mammy Waha, me moment cab back, you know, dear King Kayana. FM me line on Phantom, one at telephone on Pacho, one at telephone at she, okay, all right, one more phone at you know 0302 216 561 0302 216 562, and then Obaswa, Unum Semen or the catch the ones Unyami Adom Ahengua. No, I catch him so Yamin Shura or my Cron Ghana. I'm at the Christy, Auntie Christy, no, Auntie Christy. Good morning. Holland to say, what sorry I said, and I'm making. Maybe I was sorry. and one na shed da pa ade ensuo bebre se memfanche mankrofo aya de ofrem ya was meje wo number free anti Hega ho and I'm say ya Hega de ne ono de obewo me number so ba ko me fra wo bi amfa na me say me number and born a man. Okay, at the end of Shiano, this festivity, a break to say, what have you learned and what have you applied to yourself? And Mama Hari will say, hello, Papa, God bless you. Please, a brother in China needs to get in touch with the media house on the recent issues happening over here. You mate, maybe I send the number, Mauna, while get in touch with the media people. Media number. The one man so Yami Adom count. Thank you very much. But when you?
Hey, wow, Elder Vondi.
Hey, Elder Vondi. Elder Vondi.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah. Oh, we a program be every day. Obe from no bompayama. Or from no bompayama. Elder Vondi. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Well, I don't think me, in my personal view as a man of God, I've promoted him to Archbishop in Ghana.
Sa promotion we me da se pa but sa promotion we me pa chewa fache
me say I so be actually brand once pa into because saya ya by anymore the so be actually brand once money near obi atimi di no kware money near to send your cafe ma me di so obey account you be account no. The Ghana form for you to me no quarry. The you to me boy who money here brains my we are never be can be a best equally. And maybe I buy the pepper near your catastrophe near your brother near big guy. Come my Ghana being bye-bye.
But that's Papa. Next one, the Kafra. The one so Yami Adom count. The one so Yami Adom count.
Oh, you mean Adom Conquer Ghana? Okay,
more Tafre radio no crowd, the one free be in your way. Mufreda. Then was Pacho Frost saying.
There was a from
okay, apam. Dear was Shiano, sa festivity time when Yesu Christo wo and see and sorry brain and send brain yaka a dear was Shian with a bobra.
That moment said, say, Yada, oh, here, Papa. Yes, ma, I'm a new now, or yes, it say, more yes, what you call pilot name,
oh, yes, city, oh, yes, city, oh, yes, city, oh, yes, city.
Why you be on so there who bada what you say
what Johnson na wa ma say yenso so yentoaso
enti mama kind dam da be se Ghana o man pay se da ba sha me hija yes say ni enzi do me say do e razi ba man sabo dada mo yen ni ejuma me tears of my name so bia me te me sha pe se o ko o wa pa
hallelujah
de wa man so nyame adom kan
nyame Sira or my Kuklu Ghana, Reverend.
Mom was a more friend, no more old for no almost so friend one the line up was so
Reverend. Sadly say bad because yes, we get a phone said different. You know, so every year so be friends so I hope many phone you know because
I do a phone say
program now be a lot of man can
who phone say
maybe 11 phones never radio.
11 phones.
Yeah. Anytime you can start radio via so. Obia, you know, Obia, ni connection via my friend. You should 11 phones.
11.
The credit have been done a week in the
and so we are the phone disciples.
Me na my boss bag be say me. Uni na bumi ya unya fi phone kwa ni. Reverend.
Okay, he said there was here.
Easter way, the mention and he say, Reverend, Nyame Adom my rami 50 na since I woman me who Easter say atna fear di Easter sada say wo hu bi dade me hu bi say Christopher pa Easter me chef ya yanti me ankwa sorry in my life
Now we should go and traffic in the ask on Yamabi. Say a traffic ye preach because and confessor by this time from my Jeremy Kuro. But me to meet traffic here so for you so that we near traffic near
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Yes, and also
That's right.
That's right. You will say
that's right.
That should be an event maybe Easter. This to phone in our trans.
Yet, Yaniyama, Yaniyanum, Yania servo communion to Mayirenema. You know, and Timaya Yam for Yanin only a corona, so but yes, Papa.
Be patcho pass when we found 2 years. Nafa, be patcho. Dianino Muchen, the way I need to struggle at the end. More.
Menoya Drepa, Menoya Dre. Meno ya adwene papa meno ya adwene the way aduane no ye cha enipa ni gusu a wo ho keka wo ho no eno kura de yade ne be kosoro mo
na oso ya adwene associate ukoye contact tracing wo ba kukura wo bi no di mani pa no koye contact tracing nti yare no mo afa ne be kosoro mo.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
But back for Ghana and Namila.
Yo, because yeah, Chenny and no, I'm a head senior Crowfoot. That is why I remember the American Sando as 50, 100, and Messafako Tomo. Because say yes, the air corner. I know the when you be crown, no, say quack.
Bishop, see a cassa tray, who said, Yan chef, that's
right. Your home go to Chuopi.
Uber program, now the car, Kokra would do baby to make us by force. Wow, and say Chadrian ended there, and yeah, as a strict
no country be about USA or more chebi in some of the states, no.
Okay.
Wukrana wo bejeno, Yamawa hand grows with the share.
Okay.
And you mouth a user so a cattle. It in yes a word of 50 yana bejo. A whole stadium and Omadi a restaurant. But there is a that order. Now who need the alcosi?
Papa, sir. Bakasa ya sword.
Fred and beach. Omote taraso.
I'm compared to beach.
Beach
and 27 countries in the world. Nako beach.
Beach.
Ghana kaho.
Yadiaka one call beach.
Well, don't meet a countries and we are very recalcitrant and
Ghana
coronavirus. Ghana toso 3. Belarus they first. Australia number 2. Ghana number 3.
Will be a ya man penny to
they're moving from 400 to 566.
Now for cash and highest not anything. So if people are allowed to go to the beach,
Debbie or they are sorting a coy.
Did I know more?
So for we said no near break.
No,
oh yeah, sorry.
I will be Joe.
Uncle Soon say Cabo.
I will beat you, Adriana.
Oh, Debbie, that's sorry.
El Kroma. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh, yeah, sorry, come on. Oh, what the team members in the
social distancing, Senator.
Social distancing. So for us, I'm sorry. What's our yellow classroom?
And Krobi so Obi answered, oh, a policy for what you want. There was seeing and almost you want
na edumre sese yeti asese obekwa kaswa na ye bobo mia metantra hills ase ho bekwa na ye bobo
won tiasio
na
when you say education no
papa
and sinki ya na
education na ko enipa bi hwa assemblyman yo mu interview no mpotem we o say yaha yanom we yaha yanom patase yaha barma wa fa barma obia oba wa fa oba anti yade ne de ankran no obatna
tese yade na ankran ne be wo eto odun ba bi wo ne de
yade no want me mba ankran no obatna
wa hu say yade nkanyo se say you do 500 and something
papa ye manage you No question I want to say we are managing the figures.
Yeah.
Now we are managing.
I see.
To say a jagum pepper. We are measure more with you.
And baby country be the apopo ankrofo akohunu akotwe yaban wo mo nipa wo wonye bi ne de
Why you am Hussein wo
mo so we kra de na stop am mo ye business say nipa ewu a okay o de line ma menko
tapa ko line
de wa ho man so nyame adom nkan
Oh, nyame shika o so man kan kon Ghana.
O nyame shira o micron Ghana be da se patch o
wa ma meja da cho.
Me sorry.
Me wa cha cho nyame feel like.
Me patch me very sorry. Na me nim se o gina so wan signal me entemsa wa me patch facha me why.
Me ka fi win ba o fon ku fi writer.
Oh, coffee writer. Oh, win about today
Oh, win ba boko. Win ba boko da.
Ghana cha Bishop I've was na mama.
Mati.
Odam ko me ba ho. Odam ba ho. You know my sister so tena offended Swedro. My sister ni kuna ewu hom.
Oh, odeba. Yetu nwache.
Mo ba ho.
Ba simple de watching yakwa. Sofu
papa.
Ane pe nyame show metu nwache. Tonyo wa nje minyim nyame. Tonyo pa me start the meeting wo Joy FM. Nyandaba. Owo na mamu hu nyame sam. Ekanya me sama malamu de yes or de impasesa. Inti mesuanya me pi. Sofu mesuanya me pi what time I started to preach with Joy FM. Na mamu ko disco that time. Na me just stop one angasa but amamu juji. Mo juji wanya me pi inti mesuanya me pi. Amampera me kan de ya de yan fon kwashi. Ya de nu o nwa asaso afort na wo kunkumi impa won. Na me pede yesesa ya abebo. Ye jenye me bi on fata ye kunkumi yipa jenje ye nyama on fata ijepada ye pro nu wo asase nu wo nti ye hwe ye hu tofu enda me pede won monitor beach biala wini ba wanti mo rokodo kwa virus bakere wonso wo bubodu bakere nkokko mba wa set won de won yen wo foforo wo bubodu nti in the beach won mo orders go beach to beach especially wini ba Morocco one, what we bought them, I want to Morba. Into a positive phone, so you put away your juma, will beat you, Biala. Yamisha, I. Oh, Yamisha,
Medas, the one man so Yami Adom count. Well, one man so Yami Adom count. So, Olano, and yeah, Nama move Kakra. The one man so Yami Adom count.
Papa and cow.
How because Yamin sure my conquer Ghana. Maybe and Kamana, a Kamada Dada. I mean, sure my conquer Ghana. Yamin sure my conquer Ghana.
Yamisha or my conquer Ghana.
Your frozen.
Papa, but your family is lucky.
Richard Yankasa.
Papa, but your I'm said, I'm so what can be a meeting. The Ghana for the air and I won't see it. Adia. Yare kan wa wubi awo biafo pro ye sitine fi so wo bene ho abeka ai adia but ni nyina na wo nyame
Meda say adia no wasua. How can you help the society? I know your holiday is your woman dada me for bi aka ho bi o me braso mo fa chebe Abusia ya de wasia bene osofo eje ene maame sofo o matratra asde saa hwe o manim saa ba ya pon nyame ya do oze
omo kana so ya yepe
omo ka ene ya fo fida se na holiday
ene ya mos
emos on
papa me say police for war regions ne district
Kojo brabetra.
Oh, Papa Tana.
Oh, better.
Holiday. Maybe Cassan confa course and more 6. Papa regions now, in the districts now lockdown in Drew Hono.
And any problem no.
Yama police for no, any soldier for more and coho. Also, you can't cry. They are shining yin film here. Mbrono na wo Jamestown you do patrol a can cry home. Jamestown do a shaman choco patrol a hawk and cry home.
Oh yeah, sure.
I can
home.
But I'll draw my attention. Also yes to cram put John chapter 6 all man crop where be did no. or the order to home. Was a mama montana say. Yes, time.
And yes, I can confusion
was a montana kuo.
What can someone pay?
Montana kuo. Yes, time.
To say I ain't careful. Yariano, yasi and yet airborne. Maduna Yariano, but do not return a Maduna in sea. What the 170 BCC near as Emfa. And so, as a sort of fan,
airborne, airborne, or
airborne. And so, it's with surface is over 3 to 4 days. Now, Yarian airborne. Now, a bit matter surface is so 3 to 4 days, dear. No baby came with her, but far now. So, you say, and yet airborne. Yari yasi near drew. But what is Samina? I will roll one sa. Now the hand sanitizer good someone they come virus no one sa. And so yasi near drew.
Not just a word drew.
It's no.
Not just a word drew.
It's no. Young fathers.
Not just a word drew.
Young fathers. Sa areas no. Yama police for the soldier for any year day.
Okay.
Yama money year day pa.
Captains, police for no young one, but it's Senra. If he Malam Road is so, if he La Paz Cock Malam, Senia, almost see my traffic see on
the papa, one can Kutaka no more.
And only a some.
When the traffic is a bad jam because section of Penny never come up.
And you almost far who before who caught Ufia Kura, yes, if I yes, if I Debbie
Nina come who call him.
Tisania who are behind. Tisandra, not me,
it's essential service. Yes, I will come. Maybe come. But will be a while. I brought come and be.
Yes, will be the baby Gary to check baby.
What's over Jamestown? Who got Gary was Sham? I didn't say Shama Gary to check Jamestown Gary.
No, but the biggest one a Diania, a day man crofo.
Okay. Papa said, we see that piece of no. It's me and talking.
Yes, young feeding crofo. But there should be order.
There should be order.
There should be order.
The line now.
I did for cost. No, I can't say yes. I did managing figures. No, now the other cost. Na nipa no sa tata so. Omo kwaji aduane.
Stadium to send a US for we.
Yes.
Ye be bia. And I think yes, it to do so. Abadam for no come send ye si twa wo.
And so one no ni ho. Papa. I think
Kojo de be yo adwuma na.
Yeah.
Kojo be 1 minute kura be yo adwuma.